Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing about rational expression. Rational expression is an expression of the form p of x over q of x where p and q are polynomials and our denominator q should not be equal to 0. Now p of x and q of x are notation for functions. In fact, functions can be denoted by any letters coming from the English alphabets. Now, p of x and q of x are polynomial functions. And what are examples of polynomial functions? Those are linear function, constant function, quadratic function, cubic function, or functions that are having a degree of 4 or more than 4, where our denominator, function q, should not be equal to 0. Why? Because it will become undefined. Examples. These four examples are rational expressions. The first example, negative 12 over 25, is the ratio of two constant functions. And constant function is a special kind of polynomial function. Second one, 7x over 14y. This time, it contains variables x and y. We're having a numerical coefficient of 7 and 49 on numerator and denominator respectively. The third expression is x plus 2 over x squared minus 1, where your numerator is a linear function and your denominator is quadratic function. Our fourth example of rational expression is having a numerator which is quadratic function and a denominator which is a linear function. Consider 10 over 5. 10 over 5 is an example of a rational expression because this is a ratio of two constant functions. Now, 10 over 5 is equal to 2 because when you multiply 2 and 5, the product is 10. So, when you multiply the quotient 2 with the divisor 5, the product is the dividend, which is actually stipulated here on this side. Consider 0 over 5. 0 over 5 is equal to 0 because 0 times 5 is equal to 0. Consider 5 over 0. 5 over 0 is question mark because you cannot find any value such that if you're going to multiply that value to 0, the product is 5. This is an example of undefined, meaning this is not clear, this is not defined. So if your denominator is 0, and your numerator is any real numbers not 0, then automatic that is undefined. Consider 0 over 0. 0 over 0, what do you think is the value? Now, it has infinitely many solutions because when you multiply negative 3 and 0, the product is 0. When you multiply negative 2 times 0, the product is 0. When you multiply negative 1 with 0, the product is 0. And you multiply non-negative numbers with 0, again the product is 0. So that's why you have infinitely many solutions. We call this one as indeterminate. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathemagical.